In this video, we will discuss about digestive system. Digestive system or gastrointestinal tract is an organ system within humans and other animals which takes in food, digests it to extract and absorb energy and nutrients and expel the remaining waste as feces. Gastrointestinal tract is an organ system which takes in food, digests it to extract and absorb energy and nutrient and expel the remaining waste as feces. In this picture, you can see different components of digestive system in humans. It starts with the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These are the main organs of digestive tract. The accessory organs include liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Let us see about each one. The first part is mouth. It is also called oral cavity or buccal cavity. It is the orifice through which the food and sometimes the air enters the body. Here you can see the oral cavity. The second part is the pharynx. Pharynx is the part of throat behind the mouth and nasal cavity and above the esophagus and larynx. This is mouth, this is nasal cavity and this is the pharynx. It is behind oral cavity and nasal cavity and above esophagus and trachea. This is trachea. So this is pharynx. The esophagus is a muscular tube connecting the throat or the pharynx with the stomach. This is a muscular tube that is called as esophagus. It connects the throat with the stomach. About the stomach, it is a pear-shaped enlargement of the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is nothing but gastrointestinal tract, linking the esophagus to the small intestine. This is the pear-shaped organ that is stomach. It connects esophagus to small intestine. About the small intestine. Small intestine, otherwise called a small bowel, is an organ in the gastrointestinal tract where most of absorption of nutrients and minerals takes place. It lies between stomach and large intestine. Here is the stomach. This is the beginning of large intestine and this is small intestine. About large intestine. It is also called large bowel. It is the last part of gastrointestinal tract. Here you can see large intestine. Starts from here and ends here. It is otherwise called a colon or large bowel. About the rectum. It is the concluding part of large intestine that terminates in the anus. It is the concluding part. This is the rectum. It is the concluding part of large intestine and it terminates in anus or anal canal. Coming to the anal canal, it is a terminal segment of large intestine between rectum and the anus. This is the anal canal. It is the terminal segment of large intestine. About the accessory organs of digestion. Pancreas, liver and gallbladder. Liver, this is the gallbladder and this is the pancreas. These are called the accessory organs of digestion. The main organs of digestion are mouth, salivary glands, throat or pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.